guess what? So, just yesterday, for me, I literally got Minecraft on my phone. And guess what? I'm playing it like a lot when I get... When... Okay. So we got a beeswax. That's what I'm gonna call this. So you better be minding your own beeswax, or you're gonna bees. I don't got good bee puns. You gotta be with the bee. But when I try to grow those, they don't grow at all. Those that... Okay. Apparently, you can sneeze to please the bees. Please don't sneeze, my bees. They're so precious. Why your nest so... We ain't gonna lose a pollinating bee. What? Please don't sneeze. The bees, please. Is what I'm gonna call this. Not really. Because no bees can sneeze. Unless they want. Please. Give me all your knees. That just sounds... I was trying to make a rhyme, but then I didn't have the time to make a rhyme with a dime. So I just took a rhyme, added a chime. I am just so good today. First I took a rhyme, then I took a chime, then I took a rhyme with a chime, lime. First you took a rhyme, then you took a chime, then you took a lime. Mushrooms. There we go. Why? Oh, why did it have to be me? 'Cause it goes. I feel like I'm gonna be doing that like every single one of my videos. Mister? Sir? You better be bringing your family. Got to have a lot of fun killing some bees. Because they be sneeze. Bees, just take the leaves. This one gets 1. Hold up. Is this a fried potato? Okay. So PM. Oh. guess it's PM. It's my birthday! Not really. Hold up. Settings. Touch. Controller. Keyboard. Touch. Video. First person. Third person. PPR. How about new? What am I doing? Hey, Alex? She just casually casual. What you be doing? Pretty sure that's not how crouching works. You're supposed to go slower. You're going way too fast, girl. No! Okay, I can't do it. Video. What am I doing? Oh, great. Look how small the... I can't do it. I just can't. I can't do it. First person. This is what I was trying to do. I really love that sound. How they just... Hold up, can't. Since bees make honey, what does is there, hold up, is there honey in this? I'm in the biggest tree. I'm in the biggest tree. As far away from Zoglins as can be. Can you put honey in these? Is there like a bottle of honey? Something? At least honey. Honey at least. Just that. And I'll be on my way. On my way. On my way. Is it in here? Honey bottle. I thought I saw honey coming from this. When will I get honey from the... So you're telling me this is honey? That's actually quite neat. Hold up. Do we got fox? Because I know that, we do. Hold up, am I seeing things, actually? No, we got fox. I like how the first animal I just pick is... Take away this. And you got a cross. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Aww. There's... Baby! Hello! Hello! Aww. What the... Oh! I hurt the baby! What do they eat? Okay, so chicken. Well, they probably don't eat bees. Parrots, rabbits, llamas. Like have only. Oh. What? What are you doing? What? Bunnies? But they don't jump for bunnies. So they basically just jump on the rabbits. The rabbits. Okay, that's cool. I feel like they're gonna kill themselves doing this. Perfect. That does for this episode. Bye.